Good morning, Madi. Wow.
Luway-luway, may kaiba na gurang.
Bye-bye.
Did you see the shirt? Morning's done, the day is won. Sun against it and everything's fine. A gentle breeze, the city's slow. I take a seat, let the moment flow. A cup of coffee, sugar falls in. I stir it slow, let the calm begin. In these quiet hours, I feel at ease. Like simple magic in moments like these.
Good morning, Madi. Wow. Good morning. Kumusta si... Ay, bulay nagtutungit pala. Sana nagbali ako. Uy, nagtuto. Uy, napaparong minaniduman palang sa rayo. Sabi, uy, si Isay daw nagluluto kayan.
Ini maaraang yan. Ang sa ate, sugog sa kaano.
Din.
Nagmata na.
Sabay buhat. Ano ka bulos? Napaparong miniyo. Ili nga naman kaya oh. Coffee na. May bubuyog na sigang layog-layog.
Gusto mo patandan ay.
Baka igwa ka pang pa-contest mo na na.
Igwa.
Akay.
How is your teeth?
Natanggal ang teeth. Good morning, Lala.
Ano na natanggal?
Kaya na kamo magpamahaw na. Kaya may nagpipictorial na.
Calm begin. In these quiet hours, I feel at ease. Like simple magic in moments like these. I find the magic in the everyday. In the sweetest sips, as time slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee. There's no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free. In these sweet moments, just being me. The counting fades a peaceful hum. The world slows down and I just become lost in the rhythm of a quiet day, where every small thing lights the way. A cup of coffee, sugar falls in. I stir it slow, let the calm begin. In these quiet hours, I feel at ease. Like simple magic in moments like these. I find the magic in the everyday. In the sweetest sips, as time slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee.
Yan, time to go. Time to go home. Hinihintay lang namin yung 4x4 na maghahatid sa amin kung saan namin pinark ang aming car.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye.
Bye-bye!
Did you see the shirt?
Bye. Walang mahirap ka mo. Bye. Bye.
Bye!
Bye.
Kanina po ito. Ayun, nag-itsupisi yan. Ibig sabihin.
Something lights the way. A cup of coffee, sugar falls in. I stir it slow, let the calm begin. In these quiet hours, I feel at ease. Like simple magic in moments like these. I find the magic in the everyday. In the sweetest sips, as time slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee. There's no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free. In these sweet moments, just being me. A quiet laugh, the softest breeze. The world's at peace in moments like these. I sip my coffee, feel the warmth inside, letting the day just gently glide. The sun dips low, the shadows play. Everything slows down, it's the perfect day. With every breath, the calm sinks in. this is where my joy begins. I find the magic in the everyday, in the sweetest sips as time slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free. In these sweet moments, just being me. In these sweet moments, life feels new, and all I need is right here too. No rush, no race, just the afternoon glow. In this gentle time, I let everything flow. The world keeps turning, but I stand still, caught in the magic, the quiet thrill. In these sweet moments, I find my place, in the warmth of the sun, with a smile on my face.